Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Naledi Swaratlhe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to another video. So I'm about to start a meeting, Zoom meeting at 12 o'clock. It is currently 11:52. So yeah, I'm nervous. Also, I kept my makeup quite minimal for today. Like it.
These are the castings and jobs that you've worked on and booked for the past 6 months. This is Influential. It is, of course, an influencer platform, and we partnered with them. So once you're assigned to a sing model, of course, you will have the opportunity to sign up to Influential.
Okay guys, so I just wrapped up the Zoom meeting. So right now I have to go and pack my clothes because we're leaving in literally an hour. Well, it was supposed to be an hour. It is 1 o'clock, 13:03, well 04 now, and we have to leave at 2 o'clock. I'm not done packing. I haven't had anything to eat. I don't know what I'm functioning on. I don't know. But anyway, let me go get something to eat and then finish up with my packing so that we can leave on time, hopefully. But the meeting went really well. Crossing fingers. Crossing fingers, like crossing fingers. Bakgatla Lodge, and it is probably like a 2-hour drive. How many hours is it? It's probably like a 2-hour drive, right? Or 3 hours? Yeah, it's probably 3 hours. So yeah, we're gonna be on the road for a while. Oh, 2 hours. We're gonna be on the road for a while, and I will catch you guys when we get there. What does Bakgatla mean, guys?
Your destination will be on the left.
Bakgatla era gore batlile guys, re tlile mo Pilanesberg, re bua Setswana re mo Bakgatla. I don't even know what it means. Please guys, please read this. So yeek. Who will try and catch those? Scary. We are in the bush. Wildlife is not only the big five. Yo. Hey guys, I'm gonna give you a tour of our room. So we're gonna start here in the kitchen. Here's some stools. There's 2 chairs. And then there is a stove over there, microwave, and a sink, and then some cupboard space for cups and mugs, and yeah, you know, the works. And there's a fridge over here, And then I'm gonna take you guys to the one bedroom that is downstairs, which is this way. Can you see me? This is actually my favorite room, but I think my mom is gonna sleep in here. Oh, it's so comfortable. So this is it's the only double bed in the whole chalet, and there's a bathroom in here, which is just has a toilet, basin, and then bathtub and a little shower head. Yeah, that is it downstairs, and I'm gonna show you guys upstairs. So this is the other bedroom. It's got 2 beds. I'm in 3 single beds. It's got 1, 2, and 3 over there, and then a mirror. I like the mirror. Love the mirror. And yeah, just cover space and a small window to the outside. Yeah, that is it, you guys, for the house tour. Thank you. So guys, we arrived in the resort. We just uploaded our, I don't know why I always talk like this in places like this. It's just so calm and nice. So we want to go for dinner or check what's on the other side in the restaurant, but it's so calm, quiet, very, very quiet. Like kids? Mayani Game Reserve. This one. Dinner.
Have you ever tasted chicken burros?
Chicken?
Burros.
What's that?
It's like salaka.
Chicken is chicken. Burros is beef, mas.
Yeah, but
They are selling it for chicken burros.
So you burros are chicken.
leaf fruit in the real local. Put on the regular chicken. King family market.
One or some punch.
Go on to kids here. Karma chicken burros. And the level local.
What happened? Give her it a real.
Kira puna
Korea pizza. This is hot. Hey guys, so we just got back from breakfast. Sorry, not breakfast, dinner. And I'm lying down because I'm actually really tired. The trip was longer than I thought or anticipated. Like, we were on the road for a good 2 hours and something minutes. It felt like 2 hours and probably 30 minutes, but it was probably 2. I just felt like it was really long. It was so long and very hot. So right now I'm just gonna remove my makeup and wash my face and chill out and just rest. Yeah. One thing I like about like resorts is that it's so peaceful. It's a different kind of peace compared to the city. And someone actually mentioned, thank you. And someone actually mentioned it while we were out to get dinner, and we're like, it's so peaceful. It's so peaceful, you guys. It's a different kind of peace. Like, there's no hooters, no taxis. I know it sounds like I'm exaggerating, but it was so peaceful. Like, you don't hear anything besides birds and insects, and you don't realize how much you actually need that until you experience it and you're like, wow, the city is a lot. Like, it actually is so much. So yeah, I just want to rest. Like, this week has been so long. I had an interview earlier this morning today, earlier today I mean, and it went really well. I just got an email confirming the good news, so I just want to like read through the contract and just take my time reading through important points before signing, because that's so important. The last time I signed a contract I missed so many parts, and yeah, just I'm trying to do better. I'm trying to do better as a person. And then I also have to do some editing because there's a video that I want to upload on Monday. So yeah, but I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow. Let me go remove my makeup. So I'm gonna remove my makeup, and I'm using the facial wipes. This is the sensitive ones from African Extracts Rooibos. Looks like this. Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of the vlog. Today is the 26th, if I'm not mistaken, and yeah, we're gonna go for breakfast now. Breakfast ends at 10:30 and it is like 8:30, so I have to rush. And oh, I have to put on my earrings. I did not wear makeup today because honestly I don't know, like I just don't feel like it, and my skin has been improving, so I think I'm gonna go barefaced today. But to be honest, I was just lazy and I just like the barefaced look today. Anyway, let's go for breakfast. I will see you guys in a minute. Sugars. Hey guys, so it is a new day today and I'm gonna be on campus for my first contact lecture of the year, and I don't want to vlog while driving because that's a bit dangerous, but I just wanted to say hi for the day. And yeah, we're gonna be on campus and see you guys when we get there.